Welcome to Taranker. In today's video, we'll explore the benefits of affiliate marketing for selling on Shopify and how you can use the UpPromote affiliate marketing app to grow your sales. Affiliate marketing with UpPromote is an excellent way to boost revenue without large ad investments. You simply invite affiliates to promote your products and reward them with commissions for each sale they drive. Exclusively on Taranker, you can use the Unlock Deal feature to get 20% off your subscription to UpPromote. UpPromote is one of the best tools to get started with affiliate marketing on Shopify. Let's look at a few of its powerful features. Customizable Commissions. With UpPromote, you can set up various commission structures, whether flat rate, percentage-based, or even special rates for high-performing affiliates to motivate affiliates. Automated coupons and discounts. UpPromote can automatically generate unique discount codes for affiliates, which are easy for customers to apply at checkout. Affiliate Recruitment. UpPromote offers multiple ways to recruit affiliates and to reach potential affiliates ready to promote your store. Advanced Tracking and Fraud Protection. With UpPromote's real-time tracking, you can monitor clicks and orders through links, coupons, or post-purchase pop-ups with built-in fraud protection to ensure high-quality conversions. Payment flexibility. Payouts are easy with UpPromote. You can choose from multiple payment methods like PayPal or store credit, and even schedule automatic payments to affiliates for a hands-free experience. Affiliate dashboard and email automation. Affiliates gain access to a dashboard where they can track their own performance. You can also set up automated emails to welcome affiliates, share campaign updates, and more. Visit Taranker.com today to discover top e-commerce tools for your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips.